Okay, so across from the living room and the kitchen is a small room. Something going on with the floor right here, I'm not sure. They just had to make a transition. This is really small. You could probably maybe get a single bed. And that's it. It's really little. This floor transition bugs me. There's something not right there. And then we'll go this way. And I'm guessing this would be the master. And you got a little room down here that would probably be a closet. Yeah, closet. Heat and air. Step down. There's a step up. Got another wonky transition into the bathroom. That's not right. No light. And you got a tub shower.